Finding freedom from all that debt can feel impossible. Find out what you can do. Debt can really mean trouble for so many people, and oftentimes it can lead to severe devastation, when things just do not get paid off eventually. Ignoring your debt can cost you an enormous amount at the end of the day, because what could potentially end up happening is, you could very easily lose all of your assets and property, and I am very certain that nobody out there anticipates something such as that happening to them, right? Do not let your debt cause this to potentially happen to you down the road. Lack of responsibility is sometimes to blame, but honestly there are many occasions where it is only because of an individual's ability to earn enough money to afford to pay off their debt, and so many times they are either ashamed, so they avoid ever even thinking about it, or they just do not have the money, so feel as though they need to hide out from the people calling them consistently, as well as sending them threatening letters each day in the mail at their home. Your actions in trying to find that financial freedom you have been searching for so long now is not something that will come easy for many, but there are also plenty of people out there that are so tired of worrying about debt, that they would try to do just about anything to help in preventing more debt, or to at least get out of some of the debt that they are currently involved in, which is creating so much turmoil in their lives. Finding financial freedom from all or most of that debt can feel seriously impossible, but throughout articles such as these, you are going to get little helpful hints that could very well provide you with some of the answers to many of the important and understandable questions that you currently have about debt, or have had in the past but were just too unsure to feel confident enough to ask them. Freedom from debt, all of it or just one or two less payments each month, can dramatically create fabulous changes within your life and make it much easier to survive paycheck to paycheck, which sometimes feels like an impossibility for way too many people. Debt problems are the number one cause, in my opinion, for all of the stomach problems out there that people are suffering from, as well as the many awful divorces that are occurring right now as we all sit here, reading this article. Your freedom rides on whether or not you are going to have the strength and determination to cut corners when needed, spend only when necessary, and live by your means each and every month that passes, without too many excuses or exceptions to the rules. Allowing little mistakes constantly can surely add up at the end of the day, creating unwanted debt and putting more stress on you than you would want.